Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on my alarm clock. I think it's the prettiest alarm clock that I have ever seen in my life, guys. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I love all the different colors that it has going on, and it also has different colors that you can choose from. You can change the color of the digits, and you can also change the color of the nightlight. Let me go ahead and show you how the nightlight looks like. That's how it looks. It is super cute, guys. I do want to turn off the light so you can see how it looks in the dark, but first I'm gonna show you all of its features that it has. Now over here in the top, guys, we have all of the buttons that you can change the settings with. First, we have the button where you can change the clock to go from a 12-hour mark clock to a 24-hour mark clock. We have the alarm clock button. We have the button where you can change the different types of alarm sounds. We have the plus and the minus, obviously, to change the settings of the alarm clock. And then we also have the light button where you can change the light. So you can change it to all of these different colors that it has. It also has some colors that like change the different they change to different colors. This one does too. And then for the last button, we have the snooze button, and you can also change the light of the digits. So it also changes the light of the digits. Now over here on the side, guys, we have these little like wheel buttons where you can dim the digits, and you can also dim the bottom light. You can make it brighter, or you can dim it if you would like. And then over here in the back, we have the little alarm volume, so you can make it go super loud, guys. It's a super loud alarm clock. I'm gonna show you that in a bit. Or you can make it to the point where it's like a little bit on. But overall, it's a very loud alarm clock. But let me go ahead and show you how it works. All right, guys, so first I'm gonna show you how it changes from a 12-hour clock to a 24-hour clock. So right now it's 5:44 p.m. We're gonna change it to a 17:44. Now the alarm button, you can change it to the point where it's an everyday alarm clock, or you can change it to just work days from Monday through Friday. Now the music button, guys, I absolutely love it because when you press it, you can change the different alarm sounds. So that's just one of them. So I'm just changing it from all the different sounds that it has. So it has 15 different sounds. But anyways, guys, you get the point. And then we have the plus and the minus buttons that you can use to change the settings like we were doing right now. And then obviously the light button, you can use it to change the color of the night light. And the snooze button is the snooze button, and also to change the color of the digits. It also has its own charger, guys. So it comes with the charging cable and also the charging block. So I really love that, guys. Most of the alarm clocks don't come with the block. So I really love that it has everything included. And lastly, let's turn off the light and see how it looks in the dark. Alright, guys, so this is how the alarm clock looks in the dark. I absolutely love it, guys. I would definitely recommend it, especially if you're looking for a good loud alarm clock for a heavy sleeper, or if you're just looking for a good cute alarm clock for your kid's bedroom. I would definitely recommend this one.